What is my art style? I don't know what to draw. I don't know what to paint. I'm just confused. I'm just completely lost. I don't know what to draw. I don't know what to paint. I don't know my art style. If this is relatable to you and are you struggling with this kind of situation, then keep on watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Pashwika. Today I'm gonna tell some things that how to discover your own art style. And when you are beginning with drawing or when you're beginning with your art career, then you would be facing this common situation. You don't know what to draw, you don't know what is your art style or what is the thing that really inspire you, what you enjoy a lot, and it's at the time you are facing this situation a lot and you feel very bad about it because you don't know about how to deal with such situations, and then you are like confused, feeling demotivated, procrastinating, and all different types of problems come across while you are facing this problem. So today I'm going to discuss about something like more relatable to you, some small easy steps that you're going to take and that hopefully help you in getting your own art style, discovering your own art style, because it helped me too also. Because in art we are surrounded by so many things. There are different types of art styles, and every art style is very unique and is very different, and we love all of them, as I too also love all of them. So beginning with the first, I have like 3 E's. I have my steps divided into 3 E's. First one is exploring, second one is experimenting, third one is enjoying. So beginning with the first one, that is exploring. What I mean by exploring, just go on the social media. Today we are surrounded by so many social media platforms. We are having the internet. So go on the social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook. You can also go on the Pinterest because there are many pins of the art. You can go, and you can also go on the Twitter, Tumblr, different types of blog articles, YouTube channels. You can go on those social media platforms and look out what the other artists are doing, what they are making, what they are drawing it, and get some idea from it. Because if you are starting up and when you are a beginner in this field, you would be getting many trouble in starting up. You won't be able to know what is the art that you like the most and what is the art that you suit to you and that you should draw it. So exploring is the 1 E's that I have for you, and this is the first step. So start exploring, start watching other people, what they are doing, how they are doing, for how long they had been doing. Start researching about that art style. If you like one particular art style, just research about it. This artist is drawing, suppose like painting, they are painting the landscapes, and you like the landscape painting a lot. So just research about that artist, how have been they drawing, and what materials they are using, how they are doing it. If you get to know about them in detail, then you can get to know about it. And this is the exploring. Just explore it, do your own research. Often research is very laborious work. No one wants to research. Everyone wants to get the things in their handy, like they want the spoon feeding. But guys, spoon feeding doesn't work in this way. Exploring your art style, spoon feeding doesn't work. So you have to do your own research and take your own time. It's okay if you are taking 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It's just completely okay. Take your own time and do your own research and start with your own art activities. Researching and giving yourself time is one of the most crucial steps while you are exploring it, because if you're giving you the time, then you would be more convenient with a different art style, and you're exploring it, you're rediscovering it, you're searching for that. So that's the first E that I have. E that I have for you is experimenting. After exploring the different art styles and after looking out, okay, I like this particular art form and I just want to give it a try. Does it suits to me or does it not suits to me? So you have to just experiment it. Start out your sheet of paper. It could be like if you have thinking of making some graphite sketches or some charcoal sketches or watercolor sketches or whatever. Just take out that art supplies and start doing it. It doesn't need that you need to buy the most expensive art materials to start with, or you need to buy the very good quality watercolor paper or very branded, very expensive watercolor paper to get started with watercolor drawings and landscapes. No, it isn't that. If you are initially trying it, you can start it on the things that you have at your place. I know it would sound that then how to paint watercolor sketches or watercolor landscapes on the paper that is not suitable for watercolor, but then you are trying it, and when you are trying it, experimenting it, you have to keep it very easy and very fluent, because if you are making it very complex and very difficult, then you won't be getting started with it and you would be procrastinating. So let's keep it very simple. Let's get started with the things that you have at your home. Everybody would be having pen, pencil, eraser and a normal paper at your home. So you can start with your own sketch. You can experimenting. You can look out which thing is more suitable to you, which does take more time, or you need to do more practice, or you are good at it. You just need to experiment and you need to think about how you are feeling about it after making that. So experimenting different art styles, taking many months and knowing your art style is just completely fine. It's just completely okay, because some things take time, and taking a big decision or knowing your art style isn't an easy step. You have to take the time to get it used to it and to get it know about it. Because I have been in your place, I have like take the many months to decide which is my art style, because when I was starting with this art career, I was completely new to this field. I wasn't knowing about it, what the different art styles, how to draw, how to paint. I don't even know the basics. Then I started with it and I like exploring it and drawing it, and then I slowly get to know that what I like the most. And then I decided I like the portrait sketches, realistic portrait sketches more, and I also like the paintings. So I like doing both the things. And if you want to check out my art tutorials, then I have the links in the description box below, and you can see some here click and you can go and check out that too. Also, I'll put the link in the description box below of my different art tutorials, so you get the link and you can also explore or experiment my art style, or you can draw it, or you can watch it. After experimenting, now after making the artworks, different types of art styles, different types of paintings and drawings, you need to check yourself. Do you really enjoying it? Do you really enjoying the process? Does it make you happy? Does it make you feel good about it? You just need to check about yourself. If you are painting and you see, wow, that's so beautiful that you have painted it, or that drawing looks so nice, it's so pretty, I love that. You need to congratulate yourself. You need to give yourself the positive feedback that you have tried that thing for the first time and it's coming very nice and very pretty. It doesn't mean it has to be look very good or very realistic or something like that, very perfect. No art is perfect. If the art is perfect, then I don't think so. It will going to look very artificial if the art is perfect. It has to be, there's a beauty in imperfection, and that's the beauty in the art. So you need to just love that thing and just enjoy it, and just feel that suppose if the painting you are drawing the landscape and that's giving you more enjoyment, that your feeling makes you more happy and you like the end result, then you need to make it more. You need to do it twice, thrice and so on. Check that it's again making you happy, then that's the art style that you have. Of course, after making one particular art style, you can move on to the other art style. That is like a freeway space. You can't just fix on to one particular art style for your whole life, that you can't make another art style. That you're making one particular art style your whole life, you can't do another art style. No, it isn't that. It's just that knowing what makes you feel better, what makes you feel good, what makes you feel happy, or what art style help you make you feel more enjoyable. That's the art style. In my case, that's the art style, and that's the thing. It isn't like too tentative or like too you are so much tensed about it. No, it has to be easy, it has to be simple, and it has to be enjoyable. That's the art style. You can change it anytime you want, and you can explore the different art world. It's so beautiful. I love the different things. I hope this 3 E's is helpful to you. Let me know in the comment section below if it helpful to you. And if you want more such tips and tricks, if you want your personal questions to be answered, just join my Facebook group, the link in the description box below, and where each and every artist support each other, so you will be also get the support of other artists. That's being said, this is the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and see the two videos that I have on the end screen about the different art tutorials and about the different things. And see you for the next time, guys. Take care. Bye.